Go ahead.
Food is one of the basic need of all living organisms. In each and every stages of we human beings, the requirement of food varies according to each and every life stages. For example, in infants, toddlers, childhood, with respect to adulthood, in old ages, the requirements of the food varies according to that. With respect to in case of plants, they synthesize their food by the process of photosynthesis, but we as human beings and in other animals, we can't prepare our food, so we have to rely on food for plant and animal based foods, so we have to rely on them. Good afternoon everyone, myself Dr. Rekha G. I'm a dietitian, Oasis Fertility Center, Bengaluru. Welcome all of you to the Facebook Live. And today's topic is nutrition and fertility. Now, I will give a brief introduction about nutrition. What nutrition means. Okay, nutrition is the part of food what we take. When the food we ingest or we take, it will get digested and enters to the circulation. From there, it will distributed to all the cells in our body. This is the thing which is distributed to all the living cells in our body is the nutrition. That is the nutrition. So nutrition not only not only suffice the requirements of the cells and activities of day-to-day life, but also it helps in proper management of other functions of the body, and also it is and to cure some of the minor common diseases in our body, to repair the cells and tissues which are damaged in the process, in the life process. And also one more important thing is that it also very much important with respect to mental health. Good nutrition leads to a good mental health. So food, this is about the nutrition. What are these nutrients? Nutrients are the part of nutrition. They are carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and water. These are the nutrients. Based on the different proportion, based on the requirement, these has to be taken according to our life stages. So, with respect to fertility, also nutrition plays a major role. Nowadays, the cases of infertility are goes on increasing. According to WHO, the case they explained that the fertility cases are increasing day by day all over the world. According to the recent report, which is presented on 4th April 2023, nearly 17.5% of the population all over the world who are in reproductive age are affected with infertility. So it's nearly one among six people, couples who are in fertile period. So this is the statistics given by WHO. So not only this, they have given many of the datas which supports the positive effect or positive and negative effect of the lifestyle and the food. Okay, this is the thing. These are the those are first thing is with the person who are using a good proper nutrition along with the proper lifestyle have the chances of fertility six times. Their fertility chances will increase by six times. This is one of the data, and also in many of the data like the lifestyle disorders and lifestyle disorders like PCOS, obesity. These are the things which affect the fertility in case of females, and also with the obesity, it also affects in case of male. And many of the things like the inclusion of trans fats in the diet also affects the fertility both in male and female. For example, like quality of the sperm may impaired by the excess use of trans fats. Also, the motility, asthenosperm, what we call as asthenospermia, and these are the things which, with respect to male. When it comes to female, it affects the ovulatory. It will induce the ovulatory infertility. This is one of the thing. Likewise, the excess use of caffeine products and excess use of processed foods and sugary foods in the diet affect both male and female infertility. These are the data which give support to the means the proper nutrition plays a major role. These are the data which are collected after. Why I'm telling all these things means these are the data which are collected based on researchers on a selected population over a period of time. So we can rely on these data, and also it is very much helpful for what we call good practice also. So that's why I have mentioned all these data now. These are the what are the things which affects the fertility as such. So let us know one by one. Those things are explained in many of the things are explained in the data. Along with that, caffeine products and processed meat. These processed meat and unhealthy food habits like having excess of alcohol. This is an anti-nutrition, which also affects the fertility of both male and female. So these are other things. Which are the things we have to include in our diet that which supports the fertility as such. So those are omega-3 fatty acid. In omega-3 fatty acid, many of the seeds like almonds, chia seeds we can include, flax seeds we can include, along with that akhrots, cashew nuts. These are the things which are supportive with respect to fertility. When it comes to other things like we have to include lots of raw vegetables in the diet. Why I'm stressing raw vegetables means of fiber for which are helpful for the improvement of the gut health. Gut health plays a major role with respect to fertility, as I have already mentioned in one of my series in the Facebook Live. So we have to take lots of vegetables. That too, we have to give importance to the locally available vegetables and fruits. Along with that, and locally and seasonal vegetables and fruits. We have to stress on, and we have to, with respect to grains, we have to with that. And also the micronutrients will be intact with the whole within the whole grain. So we have to give stress to the practice of using whole grain. And with respect to exercises, we have to according to our food intake, we have to balance the physical activity also, because physical activity plays a major role, because it helps in the proper metabolism in the body, and also helps in the proper digestion. So that is the thing. So this is not the thing that the quality of the food what we are taking, the amount of food which is get ingested into which is get absorbed into the body, that matters a lot. So we have to that's why we have to balance things between both the food intake and also the exercise pattern. And not last but not the least thing is, we have to give much more importance to the stress management, because stress management is a thing which plays a major role with respect to fertility also. And also these things are proved with many of the researchers. How these stress will affect the infertility, let us know. Because of stress, our hormones will get disturbed because of the poor stress. This will impact on the life, means even with respect to fertility, even, per se. It will affect the production of means ovulation in case of female, and the quality of the sperm will be compromised with the because of taking too much of stress. As the stress goes on increasing, it will imbalances many of the hormones in the body, which leads to many of the lifestyle disorders like PCOS, obesity. These are the major factors which affect the fertility. So we have to give, not only with respect to nutrition importance, also we have to give importance to all the aspects of the life, and proper stress management. All the things has to be given importance with respect to fertility. Then only it will lead to the person to be a fertile in his reproductive age. Thank you.